Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Do you have a garbage disposal that stinks? Perhaps you're a restaurant owner and you've got like stinky drains in the restaurant. You got a lot of food processing in your church. Maybe your church has a commercial kitchen that they're using. You got floor drains that stink. We've got a great solution for you. It's called Foam Fresh. Foam Fresh uses microbes to not cover up odors, but to attack the odor and destroy it. Foam Fresh not only leaves a pleasant smell, but those microbes continue to work long after you apply it to those drain systems. And Foam Fresh isn't just for drains either. You can use it in commercial bathrooms to eliminate vomit smells and urine smells. Anywhere where you have a horrible odor that you're trying to take care of, I recommend you check out Foam Fresh. It is a great product, comes in an easy to apply can so that you can put it right down into that drain system. So make sure you check out Foam Fresh on our DIY store at Crawl Space Ninja. It's diy.crawlspaceninja.com, and I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Hey, Michael Church here. Real quick, I want to share two things with you that we've got going on here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Number one, I encourage you to check out the Ninja Cabin. We are making this cabin available for people that are interested in staying in the Gatlinburg and Sevierville areas around Dollywood and things like that. It's a beautiful cabin in Wares Valley, Tennessee. I'm going to put a link to that down below. And also, we're going to start doing a live feed, so that way you can talk directly to me. At the end of every month, we're going to be featuring a live feed, so make sure you check out the link below for the live feed coming up at the end of every month.